Ha! Ha! What a shot! What a shot! So this is an amusement park. We're here and we want to enjoy ourselves. We want to ensure that the youth whom we came with here are going to have fun. You know, there are some skills that you also have to learn as a Muslim, like archery. This is some of the skills that the Prophet ﷺ, these are some of the skills that the Prophet ﷺ actually insisted that the Muslims have to endeavor to actually have them for survival, you know, among many other skills. So here is one of the parks that has those kind of things. You can be able to, as a young person, come here and enjoy those things, have fun. Islam is not just a religion whereby you are instructed to do only ibadah. You know, ibadah is in different ways. You can still do ibadah while enjoying yourself. You can still have fun and still be worshiping the Creator. Like just admiring and appreciating the beauty of the environment. Right now we're having a very nice sunset view in front of us. Just looking at that and then admiring at it and then relating it to the creative nature of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is a form of ibadah, just appreciating that there is nobility in terms of the way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the environment and put us in. We have to appreciate everything that is surrounding us. So ibadah is not just salah, it's among many other things that are also around us. So we'll be having that fun, and I'll also show you some views of this particular space. It's quite some few kilometers from Madina, Haram, to this place. I don't know exactly how long, but it's quite an, I'm expecting to actually have a nice experience here. Yeah. So these are the activities that you can see here. Have a masjid, both for women and men. There is section, stove, hospital stable, cutting, barak. So we just enter the place and you can see it's coded in green and yellow colors. I think not yellow, it's golden colors. So green and gold. The first impressions, you get greeted by these beautiful horses. So if you want to do horse riding, you just come. Look, it's welcoming. It's like, yeah, how are you? How are you, Mr. Horse? Are you a boy or a girl? So yeah, really friendly. As you can see here, the place is looks quite huge, and I know he's just, the horse is like, who are you? Yes, I'm Mr. That. Just touching it. And then we have, so it's quite a friendly horse, as you can see. And they're used to people actually. I presume they're used to people, because when they see you, they just come closer to you. We have some small horses, baby horses, and being watched by a small boy here. I think here is where they rest. Then the other side is where they, because I'm seeing some people riding the horses over the other side. And I can't count how many horses are here, but I can see there are quite a number of them just resting. That's the shed where they just go and sleep. Another shed is down there, and you can see kids coming from there from riding the horses. I know nothing about horses actually. I just see them, I admire them, and that's it. I know nothing about riding a horse. I see them and I just admire. So I'm going to head for prayer. It's Maghrib time. Then after that, we'll have to come and enjoy horses. This is the place where the horses are being ridden on, and just like any other animal, these horses have feelings, they have emotions, you have to make them feel happy and comfortable so that you can ride them without giving them any form of discomfort. Again, it's a dangerous activity, so that's why they have to wet the sand and ensure that it's very well moist for the horses to be ridden without any kind of accidents or incidents that are going to hurt the horse. If you don't know how to ride the horse, don't try this. Just watch. Like me, I don't know how to ride a horse, so I'll be just standing behind the scenes to see what's actually happening over here. The horses are actually very well trained according to how the coach is telling us. They are very well trained. They know how to maneuver the areas. They know how to not cause any unintended accidents. For as long as you're not controlling it in the wrong direction, it will always follow the path that is directed within the circle so that you can be able to reach your destination and enjoy and just have fun. So here is the spot for archery, and we have our loser here. Sorry, our winner. Our winner is here and is taking his tools, and then he's going to be like pointing an arrow directly to that white section. Yeah, as being directed by the coach here. Let's see. Let's see. Sulaiman, I've been told this is the losing team.
This is the winning team.
Really?
Yes.
That team said they're the winning team. Here you are the losing team.
Don't you see?
That's what I've been told.
Speak a lot.
For as long as we have Muzamil here, we are winning. He's already have. So it's going to be shown how to do that arrow thingy, where you put your arrow and then you point it to that box, that white box over there. So let's see what the coach is actually doing.
Moses, unlete na mimi moja.
Yeah. Oh. See, actually he threw it to the other side. You see, we have 4 boxes. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 up there. You can see. So he threw the arrow directly to the other. So let's see what our team is doing. Okay, let's see. Bismillah. Ya Mahir. Aya Mahir. Nice. I told you that was. So, Mboshampata bro. That is Muzamil. Let's see another one.